our experience today is really valuable, even looking at my strengths, but seeing how they can be weaknesses, and then looking at areas that I can focus on.
It was very collaborative, eye-opening, and interesting. Inspired, motivated. We had a chance to reflect.
Well, I take back focusing on areas where I can help other people evolve, and using some of this to sort of cascade through quite a large team that I'm responsible for leading. That's the key takeaway, that it's not just my learning, but it's somebody else's as well. The long-term impact for me is just continuous development in terms of understanding what I am intrinsically, which I didn't think I would actually get from the testing beforehand, and then obviously the development of the session today. But now I really know what the touch points are, that I can sort of, I'm not saying change, but certainly tweak the weaknesses and perception to strength.
The long-term impact will be gradual. It's very much about cognitive behavioral changes. So it has to start with us and the leadership team, and then that will slowly trickle down to the team.